Hello everyone! Magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito, we're going to discuss how to find the equation of a line given slope and a point. So what does it mean? We're going to determine the equation of a line na ang given ay slope at isang point. So ito po yung mga different examples that we're going to discuss. Find the equation of a line in standard form. For number 1, example, let us say the slope is positive at ang point po ay both positive po yung x and y. For number 2 example, kapag naman po ang slope ay negative at yung point po niya ay 0, 0, o ang tawag po dito ay point of origin. So, paano naman po kaya i-determine yung kanyang equation? For number 3, kapag ang slope po ay fraction at ang point po ay negative positive. Or, for number 4, kapag ang slope po ay fraction and it is negative at ang point po ay both negative. So, how are we going to determine the equation of a line? So, ipapaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo in step-by-step discussion. Okay? To find the equation of a line, given the slope and one point, we are going to use this formula. Ang formula po na ito, ang tawag po ay point-slope form. So, bakit po kaya tinawag na point-slope form? Kasi ang given po ay isang point at slope, kaya point-slope form. At ito po yung ating point-slope form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m slope times x minus x sub 1. So, dalawa yung y natin dito at dalawa yung x. Pero meron po tayong y at y sub 1. Meron tayong x and x sub 1. So, yung y at x po dito, ito po yung magiging variables sa ating equation. At yung y sub 1 at x sub 1 po dito, ito po yung given na 1 point. Okay? So, ang given po dito in a form of ordered pair. And we all know that the first number sa ordered pair ay x at yung second number ay y. Ano po? So, ito po yung x sub 1, y sub 1. At m stands for slope. Now, how are we going to use this point-slope form para po makapag-solve ng equation of a line? Okay, so let's have an example. Number 1, find the equation of the line passing through point 36 with a slope of 2. So, ginawa ko po yung question in a form of problem. Ano po? Kasi karaniwan po kapag nagbibigay yung mga teacher natin ng quizzes or performance task, written po in a form of question. Ano po? So, ang given po dito ay slope and a point. Pero ganito po yung possible question. Okay? Find the equation of the line passing through point 36. So, 1 point po yung given with a slope of 2 at slope. Okay, so point and then slope po ang given, kaya magagamit po natin yung point-slope form. Okay, so identify po natin yung given, lagay po natin sa baba para mas malinaw po nating makita in symbol. So, yung m po natin slope ay 2, so m is equal to 2. At yung point po natin ay 36. So, P stands for point, that is 36. Now, we're going to substitute that given on the point-slope form to determine the equation. Okay? So, sa ating pong equation, o yung form natin, y, wala pong y dito. Okay, y sub 1. Okay, again, yung ating pong point, since ito po ay 1 point, kaya ang first number always, ito po yung x sub 1. At yung second number dito sa ordered pair, ito po yung y sub 1. Okay, always po x sub 1, y sub 1. Okay, so y minus y sub 1 is 6. Okay, substitute po natin. So this become, remain po yung y and then minus, follow lang po natin. Y sub 1 is 6. So, magiging 6 po yung y sub 1. Then, follow, equal sign. M slope. Ang slope po natin ay 2. Kaya M is 2. Then, open parenthesis. X, remain po yung X kasi magiging variable po yan. Then, minus. Ang X sub 1 is given there. That is equal to 3. So, X sub 1 is 3. So, ito na po yung ating magiging equation. Na-substitute na po natin yung point at slope. Isi-simplify lang po natin ito and write in standard form. Okay, para po may standard form, ganito po yung gagawin natin. Distributive property po yung 2 times x minus 3. Okay, so 2 times x, then 2 times 3. So magiging, just copy po muna ito, y minus 6, then follow equal, then 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So ito po ay minus, kaya minus 6 po yan. Okay? So yan po yung ating equation, but still, this is not in standard form. Okay? So, standard form natin. As I recall, ang standard form po natin ay ito, ax plus by is equal to c. So, yung term na may x ay nasa unahan, followed by y, and then yung constant po natin ay nasa right side c. Ito po yung term na walang variable. Okay, kopyahin natin itong ating equation dito. Okay? So we're going to rewrite this equation in standard form. So ito pong 2x ay nandito sa right ng equal sign. Lagay po natin sa unahan. So this become, okay? So positive 2x, if you're going to move to the left of equal sign, change the sign, positive will become negative. So negative 2x. And then, ax plus by. Ang kasunod po dapat niya ay y. So ito po yung y, positive y kapag dinugtong po natin, right plus y. So plus y kasi positive y po siya. And then, equal to, so kapag ni-remove po natin yung 2x, bilugan ko, kapag na-move na po natin yung 2x dito sa unahan, ang matitira po dito sa right ng equal sign ay minus 6. So ito po ay negative 6. So lagay po natin dito negative 6. At ito pong minus 6 nasa left po ng equal sign, i-move din po natin papunta sa right. Siya po ay constant. Ano po? So isama natin sa negative 6 doon. So minus 6, change the sign kapag i-move natin, magiging plus 6. So we have now negative 6 plus 6 sa right side. Okay? Then simplify. What is negative 6 plus 6? That is equal to 0. And then just copy po natin to, negative 2x plus y here. Okay, so ito po yung ating equation in standard form. But notice, yung ating pong first term ay negative. So dapat po kasi lagi yung first term natin ay positive. But actually, pwede na po itong equation. Pero may mas simplified form kapag ito po ay positive. So change the sign lang po natin ito lahat. So let's become from negative 2x to positive 2x, from plus y to minus y equal to 0. So ang 0 naman po ay walang sign. Okay? So we have now 2x minus y is equal to 0. And that is now the equation in standard form. So if you want to answer the question in sentence, ito po yon. Thus, the equation of the line is 2x minus y is equal to 0. Okay? For example number 2, find the equation of the line passing through the point of origin with a slope of negative 6. So here sa ating question, ang point po dito ay point of origin. So wala pong naka-specify na ordered pair or close and open parenthesis. So ang nakalagay po dito ay passing through the point of origin with a slope of negative 6. Okay, so paano po natin i-determine yan? So again, given po dito ang slope ay negative 6 at yung point po niya ay origin. So always po pag sinabing point of origin, ang point po niya ay 0, 0. Okay? Kahit hindi po state ng problem na 0, 0, ang pwede po niyang state ay origin. Okay, so we are going to solve or find the equation using point slope form. Okay, substitute natin y minus y sub 1. So again, asaan po yung y sub 1 natin dito? So sa ating ordered pair, sa ating point always, ang first number ay x sub 1 and the second number ay y sub 1 or y. Okay, substitute natin. So this will become y, then copy, minus y sub 1 is 0. So minus 0. Then copy, equal to, then ang slope po m ay negative 6. So m is negative 6, then open parenthesis. So copy x, and then copy minus, and then x sub 1 is 0. So minus 0 here. Okay. So after substituting the given, again, we are going to simplify and write the equation in standard form. So by distributive property ulit yung gagawin natin dito. So ito pwede na pong isimplify itong y minus y minus 0 is equal to y. Okay? Kasi wala na pong value yan. Is equal to distributive property, negative 6 times x, negative 6. And then negative 6 times 0 is 0. So hindi ko na nilagay yung 0 kasi wala na pong value yung minus 0 or plus 0. Okay? So ito po yung ating equation that we are going to rewrite in standard form. So ito po yung ating standard form. Lagay po natin yung equation sa baba. Okay? So y is equal to negative 6x. So again, yung x po ay dapat nasa unahan. So andito po sa right side, i-move po natin. So this will become negative 6x. Pag minove po natin sa left side, magiging positive 6x. And then positive y, kaya plus y is equal to, kapag minove po natin itong negative 6x sa left side, wala na pong may iwan dito. So lalagyan natin yan ng 0. Okay? So 6x plus y is equal to 0. That is the equation in standard form. Okay? To answer in sentence, thus the equation of the line is 6x plus y is equal to 0. Okay, for number 3 example, find the equation of the line passing through point negative 27 with a slope of 2/3. Okay, so ang given po dito ay ang slope is a fraction 2/3 and the point is negative 27. Okay, so lagay po natin sa baba as the given. M slope is 2/3, P point is negative 27. Then we're going to substitute that on the point slope form. Okay, so y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Okay, so just substitute the given. So this will become, ang point po dito, yung first number ay, again, x and the second number is y. So this will become y copy and then minus y sub 1 is 7. So minus 7 then equal to m slope is 2/3. So 2 over 3. Then times next is x and then minus ang x sub 1 po ay negative 2. So minus negative 2. So we're going to simplify this equation and write it in standard form. So ano pong gagawin natin? So ganito lang po yon. So ito pong fraction na 2/3, yung denominator niya, we are going to multiply it here sa left ng equal sign. Okay? So para ma-remove po natin. So 3 and then times y minus 7. So pag multiply po natin itong 3, since binomial po itong left ng equal sign, maglagay po tayo ng close and open parenthesis. Kaya 3 times y minus 7. And then equal to, since nadala na po yung 3 sa left ng equal sign, ito naman pong 2 ay multiply po natin dito sa natitira dito. Okay. So 2, open parenthesis, x. Simplify po natin itong minus negative 2. So minus and negative, if you're going to combine, that will become positive. Ano po? So magiging plus po yan. So ito po ay x plus 2. Okay, so ito na po yung ating equation that we are going to write in standard form. Okay, kopyahan po natin itong equation dito. Okay, since we have close and open parenthesis here, we are going to remove this by distributive property. So we multiply 3 times y. Okay, ganito po yun. 3 times y is 3y and then minus 3 times 7 is 21. Okay? Then copy equal sign. Dito naman po sa right side, multiply natin 2 times x is 2x and then 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So plus po yun, kaya plus 4. Okay, so wala na po yung parenthesis. Now we're going to write in standard form. So dapat ang x po ay nasa unahan. So ito po yung x ulit. Lagay po natin sa unahan. So this will become, so ito pong positive 2x. Ilalagay po natin doon. I-move natin sa left ng equal sign. So from positive, change the sign will become negative. Okay? And then, next po ay ax, by. So y naman po. Since ito pong 3y ay positive, idudugtong po natin dito. Kaya ito po ay plus 3y. Okay? So ang natitira na lang po dyan na hindi po natin naggalaw ay ito pong minus 21 at plus 4 or positive 4. Since ito pong 4 ay constant, C, then maiwan na po dito. Kaya positive 4, so 4 lang po natin dito. Okay? But this negative 21 or minus 21, i-move natin sa right ng equal sign, then change the sign. So, minus 21, then that will become plus 21. Okay? So, ganyan po yung ating movement. Or, i-apply lang po ninyo yung properties of equality. So, ang tawag po dyan ay addition property of equality. Okay? So we are going to combine 4 plus 21 here. So this become, just copy negative 2x and then plus 3y, then equal to 4 plus 21 is equal to 25. Since ito pong equation, ang first term po natin ay negative, then change it to positive. Ano po? So to change it to positive, change all the sign here. Okay? So from negative 2x, that will become positive 2x. Plus 3y, change the sign, minus 3y. then equal to positive 25, then that will become negative 25. Okay? Notice here, wala na pong negative sa x, then that will be your equation. Okay? So the equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 25. If you want to answer that in a form of sentence, then thus the equation of the line is 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 25. Okay, for number 4 example, find the equation of the line passing through point negative 1, negative 5 with a slope of negative 2 over 5. Okay, so ang given po natin, the slope is fraction and it is negative. So slope is negative 2 over 5. Then yung point po natin is negative 1, negative 5. Okay? So how are we going to determine the equation of the line? So we're going to use again the point slope form. Substitute po natin yung given. So sa ating point, so yung first number ulit natin sa point ay x sub 1 at yung second number natin ay y sub 1. Okay? Substitute po natin sa ating form. So y is equal to y sub 1 is negative 5. So y minus negative 5. Then copy equal. Slope m, negative 2 over 5. So negative 2 over 5. Then open parenthesis, copy x, and then minus. Ang x sub 1 is negative 1. So minus negative 1. Okay. So what's next? Simplify po natin itong minus negative para mas clear po yung ating equation. So this become y minus negative 5, that will become minus negative will become plus. Okay, so magiging y plus 5 is equal to, copy mo natin ito, negative 2 over 5 times, ito naman pong x minus negative 1. So again, minus negative will become plus. So x plus 1 na po yan. Okay, so we write this equation in standard form. So again, ito po yung ating standard form. So lagay po natin yung equation sa taas. Okay. So here, we're going to simplify this fraction. Again, itong 5, multiply natin sa left ng equal sign. Cross multiplication. Okay? So this will become 5, then times y plus 5. So kapag nagmumultiply po tayo ng number times a binomial, dapat may close and open parenthesis. So 5 times y plus 5, then copy equal to, since na-multiply po natin yung 5 sa left side, so wala na po dito. Ang matitira po ay yung numerator negative 2. So we multiply negative 2 here times x plus 1. Okay? And then distributive property, that will become 5 times y is 5y plus 5 times 5 is 25. Okay? Is equal to negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and then plus negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So kaya yung plus 1 magiging minus 2. Bakit po? Kasi 2 times 1 is 2 and negative times positive is negative. So negative 2 kaya iyan po ay minus 2. Okay? So this will become 5y plus 25 is equal to negative 2x minus 2. So we are going to write that in standard form. Hindi po po yan naka-standard form. So yung x po dapat itong negative 2x dapat ay nasa first term po natin. So this become, move natin. So negative 2x, change the sign, positive 2x. And then positive 5y kaya plus 5y. Okay, so andito na po yung x and y sa left ng equal sign. So kapag tinanggal po natin or minove natin itong negative 2x, ang maiwan po ay minus 2. So ito po ay negative 2. So remain po siyang negative 2 kasi still nasa right po siya ng equal sign. Okay? Pero itong 25, since i-move natin sa right ng equal sign, so plus 25, change the sign, minus 25 here. Okay? And then simplify. Just copy 2x plus 5, y is equal to negative 2 minus 25 is negative 27. Okay? So here, positive po yung first term natin. Then that is now your equation. Okay? The equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to negative 27. So if you want to answer in sentence, then thus the equation of the line is 2x plus 5y is equal to negative 27. Okay, so to end up the lesson, let us try to answer this activity. So let's see how you understand the lesson. Find the equation of the line given its slope and 1 point. So for number 1, the slope m is negative 3 and the point is 7, negative 5. For number 2, the slope is 3 over 7 and the point is 1 4. Okay, so try to pause this video lesson and then try to answer, determine the equation of the line. So, after that, baka pwede naman pong pa-share dito po sa ating comment section below yung inyong sagot. So, let's see if you got the correct answer. Salamat sa panonood mga anak. I hope that you learn how to determine the equation of a line given the slope and 1 point. So, see you on my next video lesson on how to determine the equation of a line given 2 points.